Okay, good day everyone, no? And I'm Jan Alcin Lorena Torres, and I present the geometric designs, the lesson 1, geometric designs about tessellations. So, let's proceed, no? Tessellation is a pattern of shapes that fit perfectly together. So, when you say fit together, perfectly together, fits perfectly together, it is no wala siya'y labis, wala siya'y kulang. So, perfect yun siya, no? Tessellation or tiling is when we cover a surface with a pattern of flat shape so that there are no overlaps or gaps. So, as I said earlier, it is fits perfectly together, no? There are no overlaps and gaps. So, tessellation can be found on pavements, patios, and wallpapers. So, as you can see in the picture below, there are, so picture, no? The tiled surface of flooring and walls is an example of tessellation. So, try to look around, guys, as um, as you see, the tiles, the walls, the windows, or the table, or either in the inside, no, or outside. So, as you can see, there are types of tessellation. Either it is an art or it's as design, no. So, I hope you have now idea about tessellation. So let's proceed, no? Then example of tessellation. So these are the examples, no, about tessellations. The tessellation of rectangles. So and also the different pentagons, no, octagons and squares. So these are the examples of tessellations. Okay, so types of tessellation. So there are types, no, naday type ng tessellation. So the first one is, no, regular tessellations. So as you can see, it's only regular lang siya. Wala na siya uban nga pattern, no. Nag-iisa lang, regular polygon lang. A pattern made by repeating a regular polygons. So as you can see here in the picture, no, and looking at these three samples of tessellations, regular tessellations, you will notice that the square can be easily be lined up with other, while the triangles and hexagons involve translation. So, as you can see, direct ano ni siya, no? Straight lang, then vertical and horizontal ang square, no? Pero lahi ang kaning triangles and also hexagon. Because na sila ginatawag nato nga translation or a geometric transformation that moves every point of a figure or a space by the same distance in a given direction. So, it said it moves every point of a figure. So, kay hexagon man siya, they have a 6 side, then it moves, no, in other figure or a space by the same distance. So, sa same distance gyapon, no, in a given direction. So, and also triangles. As you can see here, the triangles are kanang na Japon siya sobra, dili siya pareha sa square nga straight lang vertically and horizontally. So, let's continue. Vertex point. So, before we tackle the second types of tessellations, I want to share to you guys on how we know that this kind of shapes are tessellations, no? So, tessellation is the point where the shapes come together. Naming tessellations can be done by looking at one vertex point. So, as I said earlier, we cannot we cannot we can't name it, or we can't name it as tessellation if there is no vertex, no. So it is a point. So as you can see in the picture, no, this is an example of vertex and hexagonal tessellations. As you can see here, there are vertex, no. This is the central or corner point, vertex or corner point. And why this is called 6.6.6? Because At a vertex, or we call this a corner point, when the shapes meet here, when the shape meets here, like this, no? As you can see, these three hexagons meet at this vertex, and a hexagon has 6 sides. So this hexagon have a 6 sides. Then they meet in this vertex, no? So that this called as 6.6.6 tessellations. Okay? So I hope you understand, no? There are many examples, so I will tell you now. So example of vertex point. So these are the example, no? And as you can see here, this kind of tessellations are irregular tessellations. So we can tackle this on second page na. So 3.3.3.4.4. Nganong naingani man no? Nganong 3.3.4. So as we discussed here, so it's a vertex. Tungod aning vertex, makaingon na ta nga kuan din siya di ay, no? Kanang tessellation ni sa kay na siya vertex nga na ba. So here the examples, no? So 3 because nganong 3 na siya tungod kay, so 3 then 3 then 3 then 4 and 4. So continue, no? 3.3.4.3.4. So 3 at 3.3.4.3 then 0.4. There are 4 sides, no? Also here, here, and here. So you can understand it because it's very simple, no? It's very understandable. Then let's continue. So these are second types of tessellations, no? The semi-regular tessellations. A semi-regular tessellations made of 2 or more regular polygons. The pattern at each vertex must be the same. It's the same only, no? As you can see here, these are the examples of irregular. They have 2 or more regular polygons, no? Dili siya pareha sa regular ganina nga kung hexagon lang, hexagon lagi na siya. But this time there are hexagon, also there are triangles or whatever you can see, no? It's a design, full of design. So example, so 3.3.3.3.6. Why it's 3.3, no? Tungod kay let us see how. So in this point, these are the vertex, no? Then 3.3.3.3, then 0.6 here, the 6, no? So say the same here in the second examples. 3.3.3, there are 3, then 4, duha ka 4, no? Then also here 3.3, duha ka 3, and also 4, then 3, then 4. Here the vertex point, and also here. Okay, you got it, guys? I hope so that you get it. So thank you, no, for your pagpaminaw sa kuha. I hope nga nakatag ni siya learning about simple learning about, guys, simple understanding, no? So thank you once again, and God bless you all.